I honestly didn't think you'd recognize me under all these layers. It's been, what, 3 years? 3 years as farandodazing, and I'd recognize those rosy cheeks anywhere, Jass. You look incredible. Come on, lead the way. All right, this way. If I don't get caffeine in the next 5 minutes, I might hibernate here on the sidewalk. You're not hibernating on my watch. Let's get that caffeine. Deal. I'm right behind you. Here, this spot has the best view of the square. Plus, it's right next to the heater. Oh, that warmth is heavenly. It smells exactly the same in here, like roasted nuts and old books.
Welcome in, ladies. Bringing in the cold with you, I see. What can I get to warm you up?
Hi! Yes, absolutely freezing. Do you still do the winter spiced mocha? I'll have the hot chocolate, please.
Of course. And for you?
The same, thank you.
2 hot chocolates. We certainly do. With extra whipped cream?
Yes, please, extra whip. And I'll have a flat white, please. Oat milk if you have it?
Of course. 1 winter spiced mocha, extra whip, and an oat flat white. Anything to eat?
We have fresh cranberry scones just out of the oven. Ooh, Lily, should we? Yes, let's do it. We definitely should. We'll split one, please.
Coming right up. Take your time catching up.
So complicated. You said life got complicated. Are you okay? You sounded so happy in your letters, but letters are easy, Lil. You can edit letters. You can delete the sad pin of the day. But surrounded by a million people and completely lonely, I'd walk past a bakery that smelled like this place and I'd reach for my phone to call you and then remember it was 3 a.m. here. You could have called. I would have woken up. I know. I didn't want to admit I was failing at the big exciting life I left for. To the same time zone. So tell me about the bookstore. Did you finally buy out old Mr. Henderson? I did. It's mine, Jass, all mine. But I might need paperwork. Someone with big city organizational skills? Are you offering me a job, Lily? I'm offering you a reason to stay. Just think about it. You know what? I think I might stay just for the scones. But helping you run the empire? That's a close second. I'll take it.